So I disappeared for a month, not because I died, thankfully, but I was just busy with school. And I may or may not have freaked out a little, just a little, when people from school found out that I had a YouTube channel and I made all my recent videos private. Well, I'm over that now, and I just decided to continue with my YouTube channel, no matter what anyone else thought of me. So here I am again, and this video is a very cozy, productive, and aesthetic vlog. So I was a bit unmotivated at the start of the video, but as I went on, I got back on track again. So hopefully it will do the same to you. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so now it's time to try on some new clothes that I received from Alfred Eden. So first up, we have this gray t-shirt along with these shorts. Then we have this very unique shirt. It has this pretty color and also has a star shape on it. Next up, we have these sweatpants. The top is from Zara, by the way. Very comfortable, very flattering, and I feel much cooler wearing it. Then we have another pair of sweatpants, and these are striped. The colors are just screaming summer to me, and they are great. Last but not least, we have one more pair of sweatpants, and I think these are my favorite because it's just so delicate and pretty, and yeah, you should get yourself a pair by using my discount code, which is ACELLL25, which will get you 25% off of Alfred Eden. So go check them out. Get ready with me to go study at a cafe. I'm doing this hopping transition way too many times in my videos, but it's fun, so I'm gonna do it again.
가자. 그 100만 원 있잖아.